Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Khan Safia and in this video we are going to learn the program to create and use DLL. So first we will understand what is DLL. So Dynamic Link Library is a library that contains functions and codes that can be used by more than one program at a time. Once we have created a DLL file, we can use it in many applications. The only thing we need to do is to add the reference or import the DLL file. So let's start. Open Visual Studio and create new project. Select class library and name as ABC. Click on OK button. Write the code in .cs file. Namespace in C# are used to organize too many classes so that it can be easy to handle the applications. In a simple C# program, we use system.console, where system is a namespace and console is the class. The syntax of namespace is namespace space namespace name. Classes are declared by using the class keyword followed by a unique identifier as shown. In C#, string is an object of system.string class that represents sequence of character. We can perform many operations on string such as concatenation, comparison, getting substring, search, trim, replacement, etc. Here we have used toUpper method. It is used to convert string into uppercase. Same we will do for lower case or lower convert. We have also used toLower method. It is used to convert string into lower case. Now build solution. And build project, that is ABC, our project name. If the build is successful, then you will see ab.dll file in the bin/debug directory of your project. We have created our DLL file. Now we will use it in another application. Create new website and add reference for a DLL file. Select empty website and click on OK button. Right click on website, add reference, Select abc.dll file. Click on OK button. Now right click on website, add new item, select web form and click on add button. Now we will make an interface. So click on design. Take two buttons. Change text as uppercase. Double click on button 2. Change text as lowercase. Now take one text box. Double click on button 1. And write the code or logic. Object can be created by using the new keyword followed by the name of the class that the object will be based on, like this. Copy paste the code for button 2. Using our project name, that is ABC, semicolon. To run the website, press F5 or debug button.